So guys, kababalik lang namin ni Mrs. from McDonald's. So, naisip kong gawin tong video na to dahil napanood ko yung latest episode ni Kuya Rice Velasquez. It's titled Sunog. So, nagkasunog doon sa area ni Kuya Rice. Yung, unfortunately, yung sunog, it happened right next door to his car actually. And man, nakakatakot yun. Thank God, hopefully walang nasaktan because, yung mga materialis na bagay napapalitan yan pero yung buhay ng tao, hindi. So naisip kong gumawa ng video na neto, so ma-inform yung mga kabayan natin with regards to the power of insurance. So dito sa Canada, tatlong klaseng insurance ang laging magkakabit. It goes hand in hand. So I don't want to sound like an insurance salesman, pero I think this is a conversation that needs to happen. So, dito sa Canada, tatlong klase na insurance na talagang kailangan ng tao is house insurance / property insurance, car insurance, and life insurance or disability insurance. Napaka-importante nun. Kami ni Mrs., all throughout our working lives, lagi kaming merong ganun tatlo. Laging magkakasama yun. You can't have one or the other, for the sake of your sanity. Okay? So, alam ko, yung insurance, a lot of people, including myself dati, nung bata ako, I always used to think it's a waste of money. Dahil bayad ka ng bayad every month, hindi natatapos yun. Pero hindi mo naman ginagamit. So, kailangan palitan natin yung mindset natin na yes, bayad ka ng bayad every month, but that's exactly what it is. It's for insurance. It's for just in case stuff happens or just in case accidents happen. At least you will be covered. Okay? So yung video ni Kuya Rice, nasunog yung building. Napakalaking problema yan. Hindi biro yan. So nakita ko, yung mga tao, they got kicked out of their house dahil sunog and they have to do investigations and repairs. Hindi ko alam kung aware sila sa rights nila as residents of that building. Pero I hope somebody tells them na they don't have to be homeless. Yes, they got kicked out of their homes, but it's the landlord's responsibility to actually provide them with shelter until the building gets fixed and they can move back in. I hope they know that. Dahil, sometimes information doesn't travel in the right channels. And I'm letting you know, okay, that's how it should be done. And kung meron silang content insurance dun sa unit nila, kung unfortunately na disgrasya sila, they can claim content insurance, which means yung insurance company babayaran sila for everything na nawala or nasira or na damage because of the accident doon sa loob ng unit nila. Okay? So, like I said, kami ni Mrs., we've always had the three. Property insurance / house insurance, car insurance dahil pareho kami nagda-drive, and disability or life insurance. So, yung tatlong yun napaka-importante and I'll tell you the reason why. So, number one is house insurance / property insurance or content insurance if you're renting an apartment. So, kung merong mangyari sa bahay ninyo, na malaki na disgrasya, hopefully nothing does, the insurance kicks in and will reimburse all of the repairs and everything that needs to be done to get it back to what it was before the accident. So kung content insurance naman for people that are renting, kung meron nangyari sa building na nirerentahan ninyo and may na damage dun sa loob ng unit ninyo, you will be covered. The insurance company will cover whatever got damaged or went missing or what have you, provided na a proper investigation was done and they deem it to be covered. So yeah, napaka-importante nun. One example, long time ago, yung first house namin, nagkaroon ng sewer backup dun sa basement. Okay? So napakalaking disgrasya nun dahil lahat ng sewer water tumaas and it flooded the basement. Nakalimutan ko kung magkano pero it was a substantial amount, the amount of repairs that needed to be done plus yung mga yung mga items namin sa basement na hindi na pwedeng gamitin dahil, nalubog, nabasa dun sa sewer water, right? So, insurance covered it. I had to go pay a deductible. Yung deductible, ibig sabihin nun kung mag-claim kayo after it passes a certain amount, if you want to go through with it, you have to pay the deductible. So in my case, I think the damages were just shy under $10,000 and my deductible was 500. So for them to pay all the repairs totaling about $10,000, I had to pay the insurance $500 to get the process started and done. So yun. Plus yung content insurance, yung mga couch namin, yung mga gamit-gamit na sa basement na nasira that can't be used anymore dahil yung flood na basa sila or what have you. That was covered also. And I can't remember how much we got, but we did get something. And same thing, we had to go pay a deductible towards that. So car insurance naman, guys, that's number 2. Kung nagdadrive kayo dito sa Canada, it's mandatory that you guys have car insurance. Okay? So kung ma-aksidente kayo, that's when the insurance kicks in. So whatever damages, if they deem it to be covered under your policy, they will take care of it. So, kunyari nabangga kayo, okay? Yung insurance nyo, yun ang magpapagawa, yun ang sasalo dun sa cost of repairs and damages between your vehicle and the other vehicle that was involved in the accident. Perfect example, yung kay Kuya Rice, yung kotse niya, katabi ng building na nasunog. So sabi niya, he ran into the car to save it. And he drove it away from the building. Kahit ako gagawin ko yun. Pero if you are not able to do that, kunyari nasunog yung kotse mo, the insurance company will cover that. Dahil it's under your policy. So sa akin nga, I have a couple cars inside the garage na I don't really drive, naka-park lang doon, pero they're covered under fire and theft. So kunyari magkasunugan, God forbid, or merong nagnakaw, God forbid, even though I'm not driving it, it'll be covered and the insurance company will be responsible to replace or repair it. So lastly, guys, number 3 is disability or life insurance. So this is more towards sa pamilya mo. Kunyari, nagkasakit kayo or you can't, or something happens medically and you can't continue to work. So that's when disability insurance comes in. Ibig sabihin nun, kung ano yung sinusweldo ninyo sa trabaho ninyo, if the insurance company deems that your injury is covered under the policy, habang wala kayong trabaho, yung insurance ninyo, babayaran kayo ng sweldo ninyo. So that's a good thing dahil isipin nyo, every month, ang daming bills na dumadating, kailangan nyong bayaran. Paano kung di ka nakapagtrabaho dahil, meron kang kapansanan, That's when disability insurance comes in. And life insurance, that's self-explanatory kung namatay kayo. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But if it does, yung pamilya nyo, hindi nyo iiwanan ng sakit ng ulo. Okay, that's really important. So you always have to think about your family, right? So sa sitwasyon namin ni Mrs., na meron kaming pareho. Dahil kung kunyari nagkasakit kami, somebody has to pay the bills, right? And if we're not able to work, paano yun? That's when disability insurance kicks in. So, insurance company will cover our wages so we can pay our bills. And this happened nung couple years ago. Si Mrs. ko, she had surgery done on her hand, I think it was, and she couldn't work, right, for 4 or 5 months, and that's when we put in a claim for disability insurance. So sure enough, for 4 months, the insurance company paid her wages. So, parang wala rin nangyari. She was able to recover and we were able to continue to pay our bills. Thank God that we had disability insurance. Importante yun. So, yeah. Sana naman, this little short video was a little bit informative. You know, I just wanted to share this so, you know, at least yung mga kabayan natin, you know, both new and old, you know, they can gain this knowledge or this insight. So, you know, they're more informed about the importance of insurance. Sa negosyo nga namin ni Mrs., you know, we always say to people, it's not my job to sell you insurance, but it's also not my job to tell your family that you didn't buy one when you needed it the most, which is right now. So yeah, so hopefully you guys got some entertainment factor out of this short clip. Join me again on my next video. This is PuTo Mendoza in Canada, wishing you good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Stay hungry, stay humble, keep your hustle. Okay, bye now.